Welcome traders to this week's analysis of GBPUSD. Thanks for joining me in this analysis. Now, last week, if you remember, we mentioned that there is a W pattern forming here, and we were expecting market to fall down because on the completion of that W pattern, there was like very good Fibonacci confluences, and we were able to spot FCP zone, which could push the price down. If I go to the weekly time frame, this is what has happened. So this is the W pattern that I was talking about. This is the FCP pattern that we had, and this is the zone that we were expecting market to fall down from. And if I bring back original analysis, this is exactly what has happened. Market has been able to reach our profit target of 31, 1.31, and then the next level was 1.29303. So these were the initial profit targets. The market has still not stopped and it is still trying to go back down. However, what we need to do is look at the previous structure. The market has come back to retest the midpoint of this previous the midpoint of this W pattern that we had. So it has kind of like reached its profit target. But technically speaking, if I draw a fib on it, um, I can still expect it to come down to 1.26865, and we have very nice confluence of that 38.2 with this mid of the Bollinger Band right there. So if the market starts to move down, then we can expect it to come down to this level. That's a possibility. Otherwise, you can expect a little bounce upwards because it is now retesting the previous structure that we had. And usually, a move upwards is kind of expected when it comes to the midpoint. So that's what we had. There's another thing that we can do is if I draw fib on here, this is a very good zone where the market can come to. So this is a very good level where we can expect market to come to and start to reverse. So if you're short on GBP USD, um, I hope that you have been actually taking profits or trailing your stops. If you're not, then you should, because the market is reaching that point where it can start to move upwards. So you do not want to lose the profits that you have already on your positions. So you should start managing your trades if you have not been doing so. If the market actually reaches downwards, then you definitely want to take profits on there, or at least manage the position so that you are completely risk free. I will be looking for day trade kind of opportunity on this break and confirmation around here on 1.27967. If I get a confirmation to go short, I will go short for a day trade kind of opportunity to go into 1.26, or this particular zone that we have. If I get an opportunity or confirmation to go long, I will do that. And again, this level of 1.29303 is going to be my target. Remember, there is another important level right there, which is 1.29, a round number, which confluences very nicely with these moving averages that we have. Let me just change the color of it so that it shows up differently. Now this can be a very good place. If the market starts to move, then this zone can act as a resistance zone now, a supply zone here. And if I go to the daily time frame, this is what we have. The 200 moving average is right there, and that kind of confluences with the zone that we have. So that's a possibility. We also have a round number of 1.27 in that zone, so that also increases the probability of this zone. This is the round number that we have. However, market is struggling with this what a moving average right there. So that is the case. That is why I'm saying market may start to move higher. Um, what we can see that so far our short position from that zone has turned out to be very nice. So far we were able to make 218 pips on here, and then from here all the way to this level 161, and to this level is near about 300 pips or so. So it turned out to be a very nice one. So this is what we have. It is expected to slow down. So far it has been picking up all this speed, but it may slow down right now, next week. So you'll have to watch its movement a little closely around those levels that I have presented you with. These levels are very important. I'm going to remove this Fibonacci so that it remains clearer, and we already have seen that movement. I'm expecting, so in terms of my personal trading plan, I'm looking for this move upwards or downward move depending on confirmation that I have. But once I've reached this zone, I will be looking for an upward move going like this. So that's my plan on GBPUSD. Hope you found this useful. If you did, hit the like button. In the comment section, let me know what you think about this analysis. What is your opinion on GBPUSD? What is your analysis on GBPUSD? And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share this with other traders and trading communities. Thank you.